Hello and welcome to my channel Island Life Comoros, where I share content about tropical village life in Comoros, 4 islands in the Indian Ocean in the Mozambique channel between Madagascar and Africa. Please, if you are new to this channel, consider subscribing. Smash that red subscription button in order to support the channel and help us to put Comoros in the map. So today we are going to make a small walking tour of my backyard so that you get to see the different plants that are in our backyard. Come with me. So guys, here in Comoros, vegetables are very expensive and we have a very good soil. You can plant vegetables, but many people don't plant their own vegetables. 2 tomatoes cost $1, almost $1. And here you are, look here. You can plant your own tomatoes, because we have a volcanic island. Whatever thing you plant, it will grow very fast and it will grow in a natural way. So look, for example, here is a tomato, random tomatoes. Nobody plants them, they just grow by themselves. The fact that my sisters are cooking and they throw the seeds here and the tomatoes grow themselves, you see. So now we have tomatoes here. So we are saving money. Instead of going to buy tomatoes, we can use these ones, and we didn't plant them. And what would happen if we take the initiative to plant tomatoes? We can have a lot of them and we won't need to pay. We won't need to buy tomatoes. But we are too lazy. I'm going to show you, for example, a breadfruit tree. Come. So guys, as I told you, this is a volcanic island. Everything you plant, it will grow very fast. Look at the soil. This is volcanic. So whatever thing you will plant there, it will grow very fast and in a good quality. Let's go. I'm gonna show you a breadfruit. This is a breadfruit tree. What you can see in front of you, this is what we call a breadfruit tree. I know many people don't know what is a breadfruit. So here is a breadfruit tree. And what you can see here, this is the fruit. This is a breadfruit, as you can see. Let me know if you have a breadfruit in your village or in your country, and how do you call them in your local language? Because here in our local language, Comorian, we call it frappa. Breadfruits are very delicious. You can roast them, you can boil them, you can fry them, and you can cook them with the coconut milk, and you can mix it with banana and many things. So what you can see here, this is another kind of fruit. This is a I don't know how to call it in English. I don't know how to call this fruit in English, this tree, but it has delicious fruits. Guys, we are very blessed in these islands. We have trees everywhere, so we have good air. It's not polluted. This is a real gift from the nature. Look at this. It's really a gift from the nature, but as many people in the islands or in the village have never traveled, so they don't really see the beauty of this island. So we really just need to go out there to see how other countries, especially Western countries, are living, to realize that you have everything in this island, to realize that this is life, this is good life. I really love these islands for sure. I want to discover the world, but I want to die in this island and spend my life in this island. Thank you for watching the video until the end. Please, if you are new to this channel, subscribe to support the channel. I have a 1-week goal. The goal for this week is to reach 200 subscribers. So please help me to reach that goal by subscribing and share the video and comment. Thank you, and see you tomorrow.